So in this video, we're going to be covering the maintenance on the device, primarily how to do any factory resets. If you have done a couple setting changes and you don't know what's going on, you want to just reset it back to factory. This is where that is done. So this is under the maintenance tab here, factory reset. Just click on that. It'll do the factory reset on its own. You can also do the reboot from here. Again, I cover this on the overview. However, if you wanted to reboot automatically, maybe once a week, daily, every day at say 11 o'clock, or you want to do it on Fridays at 11 o'clock, this is completely up to you. This is where that would be controlled. You just have to set it and leave it. You can also manually reboot the device right from here. If you click on that, it'll go through its reboot sequence. And you can do the update right from here. So again, very important to note, this is where it tells you the firmware version. If you have some issues, we may ask you for this version. You can choose to do the firmware, what to upload, and then click upgrade. And that'll start the process. Again, this is specific to just this unit at this specific IP. If you have more than one and you want to get them all done in one batch, I recommend doing the config tool I covered in one of the first videos, that you can select multiple units and just upgrade their firmware version all at once.